How to buy items from the shop on the game Words of Wonders. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open Words of Wonders crossword game on your device. Now, to buy items from the shop, you can see the diamond option on the top left hand side. Just go ahead and click on the diamond. You can easily access the shop after this, and you can see the things which you can buy from the diamonds, and if you scroll a bit down, you can also buy stuff from the coins. Now, if you want to buy the gems or diamonds, you can spend your own money, but you must have added your debit or credit card info. But if you have not, don't you worry, just go ahead and click on any of the diamonds or gems you want to buy, and as soon as you click on it, you will be headed to this page over here where you can add your credit or debit card into your expiration date and security code and then buy items. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.